Bridal hairstyles that last a 3-day wedding celebration. A modern Indian wedding is rarely a single day, it is mehendi, sangeet, the wedding ceremony, and often a reception, each with its own outfit, its own energy, and its own hair demands. Choosing luxury bridal hairstyles in India isn't just about picking something beautiful in a lookbook, it's about picking something that survives humidity, dancing, jewelry, veils, and hours of celebration without a single pin slipping. This guide is a visual walkthrough of long-lasting wedding hair, style by style, day by day. A hairstyle that looks stunning in the morning trial and wilts by evening sangeet is the single most common bridal beauty regret. Multi-day Indian weddings mean your hair has to move through outdoor mehendi heat, indoor sangeet dance floors, and heavy jewelry, often within the same 12 hours. Built to last, the same style, hours apart, structured underneath, soft on the surface. Luxury bridal hairstyling starts before the wedding, with an honest read of your hair's texture, density, and how it behaves in humidity. Fine hair needs volumizing prep. Thick hair needs weight distribution, curly hair needs styles that work with the curl pattern, not against it. Bring reference photos, but let your stylist adapt them to your actual hair. A style that photographs beautifully on someone else's texture may not hold the same way on yours. Mehendi calls for movement and softness, braids threaded with fresh flowers, low buns that won't smudge against a chair back, and styles that photograph beautifully from every angle while your hands are covered in henna. Floral braid, fresh strings of jasmine woven directly into a fishtail base. Low, off-center buns keep hair off the back and shoulders in outdoor heat. Sangeet is the night for volume, shine, and drama, but it's also the night with the most movement. Every style here is pinned to survive a full dance floor, not just a photo booth. Glam waves, set with a curling wand, then locked with a flexible hold spray. The wedding day hairstyle has one job above all: carry the weight of mang tikka, jhumar, or a heavy dupatta without shifting for the entire ceremony. Structure and grip matter more than anything else here. Reception is where many brides choose to let their hair down, literally. Open, glamorous waves paired with a lighter jewelry set give a softer, more contemporary contrast to the structured wedding day look. The reveal, a switch from structured updo to soft, open waves for the reception entrance. Longevity is a technique, not a product line. The right backcombing, the right pin placement, and the right layering of hold-level products is what actually keeps a style intact through 10+ wedding days. Texturizing spray on dry hair before styling gives pins something to grip. Braids are the most forgiving long-wear style in a bridal hairstylist's toolkit. Tightly woven strands naturally resist frizz and slipping better than loose curls do. Dutch braid crown, a raised, structural braid that doubles as a jewelry anchor. For outdoor ceremonies in Rajasthan, Goa, or Kerala, humidity-resistant buns and low updos consistently outperform loose, voluminous styles. India's regional hair jewelry traditions each demand a slightly different base hairstyle. Choosing the right style for your accessories is as important as choosing the accessories themselves. Luxury bridal hair isn't built the morning of, it's built in the 2 weeks before, with treatments timed so hair is at its healthiest, not its most experimented on the wedding day. A deep conditioning spa 2 weeks out gives hair time to recover before styling. A well-packed touch-up kit is what separates a bride who looks composed at midnight from one who's fighting her hairstyle by the second event. Pack this, the essentials for a full multi-day wedding touch-up kit. Matching bobby pins in your exact hair shade, spares always go missing. Luxury bridal hairstyles depend as much on who you book as on the style you choose. Vet your stylist the way you would any other major wedding vendor. Confirm they've styled hair for multi-day weddings before, not just single events. Too tight styling causes headaches by hour 3 and doesn't actually hold longer. Choosing a style you've never trialed on your actual hair texture. Washing hair the same morning as the wedding, which loosens grip. Still perfect, hours later, the real measure of a luxury bridal hairstyle. The most beautiful bridal hairstyle isn't the one that photographs best at 9 a.m., it's the one still holding its shape at midnight, after the dancing, the dupattas, and the jewelry. Plan for longevity from the very first trial, and every day of your celebration will look effortless.